All right, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an update video on the Legacy Builders. As you can see right here, I've been a part of the program for 13 days, and that has produced 7 sales right here, you can see, and that has also resulted in $6,300 in commissions, 100% commissions, and these were all from $900 sales. There are different products. There's a $100 product, and then there is a $300 product, and then there is a $600 product, and then there is a $900 product, okay? So it's very important to know that, but we have obviously made all of our sales, all 7 sales have been from the $900 level, okay? So we're gonna be going over a couple different things in this video. Let me go and show you proof real quick. Of course, I've blocked out the emails right over here, but you can see right over here, $900 sale right there, $900 sale right there. It's June 11th up here. You can see I timestamp my videos and so forth. Don't have anything to hide from you guys. And then we have from 6/11. So while I was sleeping this morning in around 2 a.m., got another $900 sale, and then late yesterday afternoon, got another $900 sale. You can see just from starting this on like May 31st, we've already made all these sales. And one of the sales right here, again, is in another Stripe account. That brings the total right here to $6,300. And you can see that's just from 159 leads. Now, some of this was right here. I'll be doing videos on that. I did open up some paid traffic right there. I can't pinpoint if any of the paid traffic actually resulted in this. And you know what? Paid traffic, in my experience, has just never resulted in sales like this. But if you're finding me and you've never seen my videos before, and I may only get 100 or 200 views on this YouTube video, but that is extremely more powerful than getting 10,000 views on a TikTok video or a YouTube short video, right? Those do not produce sales. Organic, free reach and free traffic from long form YouTube videos just like this one is what I'm seeing produces the best results, okay? So there's your proof right there. And then finally, I'm going to be going over some more stuff, but right over here, let me go and reveal this part right over here. I'm just going to click on this. I definitely can tell you that this system works, right? I just proved it to you guys by showing you the proof, the results, the money coming in. I turned on the traffic right here, boom, and showed or shared another offer with you guys. And right now we're at 7 sales. So that's about a sale every other day on average so far. I'd like to get to a sale per day would be the ultimate goal. That would be almost $30,000 per month. But I'm very happy with the results so far in the business, in this new business venture, right? When we come back over here, I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to remove this because we have a couple more things to go over right here. And you'll see that some of the emails had typos, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this with you right now. So let's go take a look at this right here. I'm going to go into, and the reason why I know that there's some typos, I've actually had a couple different people email me with interest, and I'm very happy that they do email me. And I'm gonna just, I'll call out Joe right here. So Joe Leonard is just emailed me. I blocked out your email and so forth, but I'm not gonna share that part with you. But it just says, David, there's a typo in this email. 2022, right? So I believe this system was created very late 2022 by Michelle O'Neill. She's the owner and founder, and she created it sometime in 2022. So it's not like it's a brand new system that just came out yesterday. It took time to build up, right? Their first year, like it's just completely blown up from when they finally hit 10,000 people inside the community till now over 22,000 members. That all happened very quickly. But that first year, it's still, I wouldn't consider it slow growth, but it was slower than it's going right now for sure. And so it has been around for a little bit of time. But still, it was created in 2022, so it's still extremely new. It's not like it's been around for 5 years or something like that. But when Michelle created these emails, she might have either outsourced them and to a professional to write them, or she wrote them herself, or she used AI to help her write these. But you definitely, when you sign up, you want to make sure you go through. And I did go through and spend some time updating, adding my own links and so forth to the email system. And I'll show you those emails in just a second. But still, I missed a couple things, right? It's 13 well-written emails, and and there is going to be some typos. And that has not stopped me from making 7 sales. And that's what the whole point of this video is, to give you an update. Yes, I continue to make sales. I made a sale at 2 a.m. this morning. I made a sale yesterday at 4 p.m. These are $900 sales. This is completely life-changing. And if this continues, this will be a life-changing income into my business, where I'm already making, averaging between $10,000 and $15,000 in my online business as a full-time affiliate marketer. But this will just completely double my income basically overnight, which is extremely cool. And so I'm going to scroll down real quick and I'll share with you. It's right here, guys. There's a link, but you can see right here that 2022 is incorrect, right? We're in 2024. And so I appreciate that you emailed me, and I'm going to go ahead and get this fixed. I'm going to actually show you how I'm going to go into the system and fix this right now while we are here. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go over to the email section, and I'm going to click on campaigns, and then I'm going to go over here to Legacy Builder right over here. And if you sign up for this part's automated, you're going to get access to all these emails. And this is the automated system that we're talking about. All you have to do, all your job is to get leads into this system. And once you do that, you will be able to start sending out emails right here. And then you're going to get an open rate right here. These are really good open rates right here. And then this proves that the system is doing its job, because people are clicking on the links in the emails and going over, and that means that they are interested. If people are clicking on all these links and they're making their way all the way down this way right here, that does mean that they are interested. They've seen multiple emails, they've opened it up, and they are returning to a couple of the same videos multiple times in order to, and that's how we all are, right? That's how I am too. I don't just go and buy something for $900. I want to see if it's the real deal. The person that I'm going to buy from, if you guys choose to buy from me, you want to see, what am I doing? Am I making sales? Am I updating you guys? Am I showing you what's working, what's not? And right here, this is an update video, full transparency, and then also showing you some mistakes, some typos that I have in my emails, and people are pointing them out and they're still interested. I can just say that the context of the email from Joe was that he's still interested in purchasing, but he did want to let me know that there's a typo. So I appreciate that, but it's not stopping people from still being interested, but it can be a turnoff. And so I'm glad that I'm going to go fix this right in front of you. And so I believe it's this email right over here. What would you do? And so we've had 3 people click on those links. We're not getting as many people clicking. We're only at 4% right there, because that could be a turnoff. So we do need to go in here and click on this. And then I'll show you, this is the email right here. I'm going to scroll down here, and this needs updated right over here. So I'm going to go over here, and this is something that we need to keep in mind, almost set something on our calendar at the end of the year, maybe like January 1st, I need to go into this email sequence, update anything that's not relevant anymore, because a lot can change in marketing, not overnight usually, but every 6 months you want to reevaluate what's going on, what's working, and so forth. And if the funnel is still converting, then the emails are still great. But you're going to need to go in there and check out every single email. And if you talk about a date, a year, you're going to want to go and make sure you update those. And so right here, I needed to go and update 2024. I probably should go in and check every email, make sure that there's no other mistake with the year, right? So you check that out. And one of the other mistakes was I had a link right over here and it was not live. And what you need to do is you need to put your cursor right here and then push the return button. And then that actually makes your link live in your email. And so I did that as well. So I'm going to come up here and push save. So we just went ahead and saved and updated that as well. Okay. I once again appreciate you for pointing that out. And those are the kind of things, right? This is the exact system. The email system right over here, you go into campaigns, you get access to the funnel, and then you get access to the product to resell it for 100% commissions. And then you get the funnel. All of these, there was a couple typos, I will say, even in the titles. People are making sales daily on this, but even in the titles over here, there were a couple typos and I fixed them myself as well. But you get 13 emails right over here, and you can see that I've been doing this for 13 days. And so we've had a couple people down here have made it down to, I have a question for you. It's the last email. I'm thinking about putting some more emails after this, and that is totally fine to do that, extending this to show the results that I've personally got now. So by the time, if someone's made their way all the way through all these emails and haven't signed up, because these are proven to convert at around 20%, then we'll come through here, and then now I can share the results that I've gotten, some of the sales that I've gotten, and that this works for almost anybody that signs up and actually takes action and goes out there and creates content. Really, all you have to do is just put the system together, and then once you start creating content, that's when you're turning the switch on to your automated business. And that's why I was able to make a sale while I was sleeping in the middle of the night last night at 2 a.m., a $900 high ticket sale. It doesn't get much better than that. And so you can see we have a few people from that first day that are starting to hit that last email right there. And then finally, I'm just going to go in here to the community that you would get access to. I'm going to go over here and go into the digital growth community. Now, this system, this is not what it's called. This is just the community that you get access to, and you do not have to pay monthly for this. This is very important to know. A lot of the questions are, do you have to pay for the monthly access and so forth? No, you do not. And I'm going to make another video addressing like how the owner of the system actually makes money, because I've had a lot of questions like that. But this is, everyone's always looking for that catch. They're always looking for what's the catch, right? They're always looking for something negative to say or bad to say, and that's fine. It's totally fine and natural. But I'm going to address Michelle O'Neill is the creator and founder of the business, and I can tell you right now, it's refreshing to have a leader like her. She's a mom with 6 kids, and she has 5 grandkids, and she is new to marketing, and she just is already become a millionaire. And that's the question that people have in a very short amount of time. In less than 2 years, she's become a millionaire. And what I can say is that it will make sense. So I'll probably make a whiteboard about my next video explaining how she makes money and how did she make that money, okay? So that's a question you probably have, okay? Before I go in and show you some results, I do want to say that, hey, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, right? Drop your questions in the comments below and I will address them in my next video, okay? And then finally, I wanted to also share this a bit of information with you right here. One sale came from, and I've proven this, one sale came from someone that made their way through the entire email sequence, right? So they got to all the way to that 13th email over here. They got all the way down here to this 13th email. And I can prove that because you can actually go in when you make a sale and you can see what lists they're subscribed to in system, your funnel builder software, what emails have been sent out to them. And they made their way all the way through all of those emails. And then they made a purchase on that last email. So that actually proves that this system and the automated emails do their job and they work. And sometimes it takes all 13 emails to make a sale, but it's going to be really firing away and working with that new lead you bring in, the new lead that you bring into your funnel right here on day 1. So that's day 1. And then sometimes it's going to take all the way to get to day 13 and see that 13th email in order to make the sale. And that's exactly what happened on that last sale, okay? So I just think that is a super cool thing, and it's very important to know that. Now, I'm just going to end and wrap up with going in here and going into the quick wins section right over here. And you can see all these different, like this person right over here, TikTok lives. She gained 30 new followers from that. So people sharing marketing wins. It doesn't have to be monetary or money that gained, but usually it's money. First 900 sale after launching 6 days ago right here. We have Jenna Stone, 1800 on Monday, just got another $900 ding. She's one of the, I would call her a leader in the community. You can see she's right over here in the entire community out of almost 23,000 people now. She is ranked number 1 for engagement. Leaderboard doesn't mean that she's made the most money, but it's a part of engagement. She's been part of this community for a very long time in order to get that many points, and she is making $30,000 on average per month, because we can go and see another right over here. We have $100,000 USD in under 2 months. Wowzers from Wendy. And we got this person. So you can just keep going over here and just seeing all these people making their first sales online. And to make your first sale online and it be a $900 sale, there's nothing better than that. That definitely didn't happen to me. My first sale online was like $4.75 from a Warrior Plus product, an affiliate commission. I'd rather make $900 commissions. And that's another topic I will explain too, because I'm starting to learn that the marketing effort to go into this is pretty much matching up with the amount of marketing effort that it costs me to sell a $27 product. And so that is a really cool topic. I'll probably make an entire video on that topic. But right over here, this is Jenna Stone right over here, $29,000, 700 for June, woke up to $4,500 today, converting funnel right over here. All right, so I just shared this one right over here. Let me click on it. So here's myself, David Mills, 37 minutes ago before I decided to make this video. You can see right over here and I went with the Donald Duck and the cash as a GIF. But you can see $6,300 in less than 2 weeks. I wouldn't be posting something like this to 22,000 people if it wasn't the truth. And I just said I started promoting this product 13 days ago. I've never done high ticket marketing before, right? It's always been a low ticket. And you can see right over there. Okay. And then you get a bunch of support from people as well. And so that's what I want to share with you guys, is that this is real. You can go out there and be just like these people. And I turned this system on 13 short days ago, and now I am living proof that this actually does work. And go and look at my YouTube videos where I'm only getting 100 to 200 views per video. This does not require a lot of traffic. And you can go out there and build. I'm not even very well spoken, right? If you're good at public speaking, or you have a talent for something, all you have to do is just push record, get your phone out, and get on TikTok. And that's how most people are having success. I believe most of my sales, or even 100% of my sales, have come from YouTube and just this YouTube channel alone. And you can see that you can literally get only 100 views and still make some really good money, $6,300 from very low views. So YouTube is probably what I'm learning, and it still holds true to what I believe, is that YouTube is still the better traffic in my opinion. So I'm going to be spending more time on this. And then what I'm doing, go watch my last video if you want to look at how I'm doing my content creation and so forth, and repurposing these videos, putting them on TikTok and so forth. So hopefully that answers some of your questions, gives you an update on where I'm at. Yes, the system works. 7 sales in less than 2 weeks. $6,300 extra in my business this month. Super cool. The link will be below if you want to join me. Thank you.